Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little unboxing of a PR package I got from Trixie Cosmetics, and it is the Horse Girl collection. I'm very excited for this collection, very excited to open it, very excited to show you guys everything that they sent me. So let me just say really quickly, I got a new background, you guys. As you guys can tell, I got this big wooden structure to have behind me in all my videos. I love it, it's so cute. I feel like it's definitely giving a little bit more than my tapestry was. Because let's be honest, you guys, I know my lighting is still kind of trash at the moment. It's not as bright as I'd want it to be, but I'm still in the process of moving. So all my studio lights and more professional lights are back at my old house. So we'll get those back eventually, maybe. And last but not least, I got this dress gifted to me from a TikTok shop seller. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be on my TikTok. I have a video about it. So my TikTok is Ray Alicia. Oh, and then the collection was gifted to me from Trixie Cosmetics directly. So yeah. Okay, so let me open it for you guys. Oh, I dropped something already. So here is the postcard it came with. Here is the back. It is this beautiful model. It has like the website and all the social media stuff, and then here is the front. It has the whole collection, and then it says the Yeehaw agenda is back, introducing Horse Girl, a collection inspired by the feminine urge to drop everything and ride off into the sunset. And then it says this is going to be meet us there Thursday, October 12th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Trixie Cosmetics. So let's start with the smaller things that came in this collection, like the liquid lipstick. So here is the packaging. It's this pretty like muted red. Let me take it out, or like a burgundy. And then here is the shade. And this is in shade Eden. As you guys can see, it has a life after opening of 12 months. You guys can see the little open jar on the bottom. And then this is like a super cute nude shade, like a pinky nude. I love it. Okay, so here it is. Super cute, love it. What does it smell like? It smells like frosting or like cake. I love it. And the cute heart-shaped packaging as always. Super cute. Okay, and then the next thing of this collection is the blush. This blush is actually super sickening. Also, look at the like packaging, so cute. I love the theme. This is such a creative, like cute theme for a collection that I don't think I've seen before, like a little rodeo theme. Okay, let me unbox it. Here it is. Now let me open it. Ooh, let me take out this plastic. Here it is in all her glory. This is such a pretty like berry pink. I love it so much. I can't wait to use this and create like the most sickening look. I definitely feel like this is a blush that I'm going to be using a lot. This is so pretty. This is shade Show Pony. It does have a little mirror. Love that when they add that in like all the products. That just makes my makeup routine so much faster and easier to get done. Let me do a little swatch real quick for you guys. Let me go. Okay, so here is a swatch. Such a pretty blush. Blends like a dream, as you guys know already with Trixie Cosmetics. Okay, and then last but not least, it is the Horse Girl palette. It is a 12 pan eyeshadow palette. I literally so excited to show you guys this palette. I've already opened it and seen it all, but you guys are gonna be able to see it now. So sickening. I love the packaging of this one. It's so cute. Look at it. Such a cute theme. Now let me open it. And here's another mirror, which you guys already know I'm obsessed with. And then here are all the shades. Oh my god, you guys. This is like one of the best color stories that I think I'm gonna use so much, just because of how cute the shades are and how like everyday usable they are. And now here are the swatches on my arm. I definitely see some shades that I don't have in my collection, which is super exciting. Like this nude sparkly shade. I actually like think this is such a sickening shade to have. You can put it in your inner corner or like under your eyes when you set it, just to add like a little bit of sparkle. I've literally never seen this like nude sparkly type of shade. There are some pops with shimmer as well as some pops of glitter, if you guys can tell. And I feel like this color story is so sickening for fall. This is such a good like fall palette that I'm very excited to have in my collection and make so many looks with. Okay, now let me swatch the blush a little better for you guys. So beautiful. Should I do a swatch of the liquid lipstick as well? Let me do that for you guys. Underneath. Okay. There she is. Oh, she's like a warm nude, actually. She looks a bit warmer than in the tube. Look. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty for fall. All right, you guys, so here is the full collection. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys subscribe for more beauty and makeup related videos, and follow me on all my other social medias. They'll all be in the description. Or if you want to buy bracelets from my little jewelry shop, it'll also be in the description. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and thank you to Trixie Cosmetics for sending me over all these thickening products. I will definitely be doing some looks with them, so keep an eye out. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.